Ever wondered how to streamline your sales process for maximum efficiency and profitability? Entrepreneurs often grapple with the complexities of managing sales. From lead generation to conversion, the process can be overwhelming. The lack of a structured approach often leads to missed opportunities and revenue leakage. It's clear there's a need for a shift towards automation and structure. The key to overcoming these challenges lies in the effective use of sales funnel software. That's where Clickfunnels comes into play. Enter Clickfunnels, a game-changing sales funnel builder that takes the complexity out of your sales process. Picture this, a platform designed to streamline your sales process from start to finish, making it easy for you to convert potential customers into loyal fans of your brand. That's Clickfunnels in a nutshell. This innovative tool offers a range of features designed to support entrepreneurs like you. It allows you to create stunning landing pages and build effective sales funnels with just a few clicks. It's not just about aesthetics, but it's also about functionality. With Clickfunnels, you can automate your email marketing, ensuring that your leads are nurtured and guided through your sales process seamlessly. And let's not forget about its affiliate management feature. With Clickfunnels, you can easily manage and track your affiliate marketing efforts, making sure you're getting the most out of your partnerships. In essence, Clickfunnels simplifies your sales process, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business. Now, let's delve into the details of Clickfunnels' features. Starting with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, Clickfunnels simplifies the process of creating your sales funnel. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Just select, drag, drop, and voila, your funnel is taking shape. Next, we have the pre-built funnel templates. Ranging from simple squeeze pages to complex sales and event funnels, these templates are designed to meet diverse business needs. They save you time and let you focus on what's important, selling your product or service. Clickfunnels also offers A/B testing capabilities. Test different versions of your funnel pages, identify what works best, and optimize accordingly for maximum conversions. Then there's the email autoresponder integration. This allows you to automate your email marketing, ensuring consistent, timely communication with your leads. And let's not forget about analytics tracking. With real-time insights into your funnel's performance, you can make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement. With these features, you can create and optimize your sales funnels with ease, leading to more conversions and increased revenue. So, you've seen how Clickfunnels can revolutionize your sales process. Imagine being able to increase conversions efficiently, save precious time, and ultimately, grow your business. Clickfunnels is not just a tool, but a game changer. Its ability to streamline your sales process is truly a testament to its power. It's time to stop imagining and start experiencing. The journey to a more efficient sales process begins with a single step. Don't wait for success to come to you. Take the first step towards a streamlined sales process by trying Clickfunnels today.